Hey, all, I wanted to share an application that may be a good alternative to InVideo for you. I have been using this for months now, and it's very versatile. Here's a quick summary, then I will go in the back end and show you around and show you how it works. Vistla offers an AI-powered video creation and editing platform that streamlines the video production processes for businesses, making it accessible without the need for editing expertise. So it's really, really good. You're going to like the back end when I show it to you, but we'll continue with a few summary points of what this application does. Visla simplifies video creation and editing using AI, handling aspects like storyboarding, script writing, B-roll, voiceover, and subtitles all built in. The platform includes collaborative features for seamless asset management, editing, and real-time feedback among team members. So as a group, you can go in there and work on things together, which is a really nice feature. It is designed for various business needs, including marketing, corporate training, sales, product development, communications, customer success, and HR. Users can create videos rapidly without prior editing skills, which it utilizes a blend of free, premium, and private stock footage. Vistla facilitates recording from different sources, such as screens, phones, and webcams. Videos can be manually edited, or scripts can be modified directly to streamline cuts and merge edits. Enhanced video branding options are also available, so you can add your brand and colors to it, including calls to action, branding elements, intros, and outros. Customer testimonial highlights that the platform's efficiency in reducing production time and enhancing the quality of video. Again, Visla offers workspaces for team collaboration, allowing multiple users to upload, edit, and manage video content collectively. Educational resources such as video guides are provided to help users maximize the platform's capabilities. All right, guys, I'm actually using the screen recording software to record this. That's inside the back. This is the back end workspace. You've got create video, upload to edit, so you can create videos outside of here and upload them and edit them. Then you've got your screen recording step by step. You got the ability to pause, cancel, restart, and do some annotations with this here. And then you've got video recording. The video recording is a pretty cool feature. This allows you to, it's got a built-in teleprompter, so you can put in your script and then record your video right inside of the application. What else can this do? And some of the main features of creating video, which is very much like InVideo. This works off an AI generator. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Video. And you've got 5 different ways of creating videos. You can just type a basic idea in here and let AI create the script for the video. You could then drop in any text you want, and then you describe the video you want to create over here. And you can use up to 2,000 characters. I usually don't put a lot in there. I'm usually pretty happy with the output. But you can drop your script right in here and then go ahead. You can choose to rewrite it with AI, or you can just leave your script as is. So you've got the idea to generate a video. You've got your script. And one of my favorites is web page. So I can put in a URL here and then create a video out of that. You've got the ability to generate videos with your voice based content, audio and video, and upload images and or videos to create a montage. So I'm going to go ahead and I was just looking at the latest AI marketing and found a press release. Let's see if I can find it here. That's not it. Where was I? Over here. So AI video generator market size, product trends, key drivers, share analysis. This is as a press release. So I'm going to move back over to the application. and simply drop in that URL. I'm just going to say quick, fast cuts, news style video. And I have the premium version. There's a free version. There's a lower tier version. I think it's around $9 a month. And then that gives you access to about 2 million stock images. Most of it's from the free sites out there. But I upgraded mine to the pro business level because it had 16 million various stocks to it. So for creating different videos, I have lots of choices on what I can utilize. So the only thing that's really missing here is, and I've talked to them about this, is the ability to clone. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate video, and I'll show you how quick this happens. And then I'll be able to show you some of the editing in the background. So it gives you some things here about the smart screen recorder, private stock. You can also upload your own videos, your own images into this. And one of the big things I mentioned in the startup video of this was about the team spaces. So you could actually purchase this and have it, if you've got a team of people, all be able to go in and work on putting the video together and be able to collaborate inside the platform itself. The video aspects, you can go 16:9, 9:16. You can do that very quickly. That part of it's not my favorite. I've talked to them about having the ability to create 9:16 videos because those are more popular and there's a lot of different platforms to use those on, and to be able to choose, just as you're making your video, stock that's perfectly aligned for that format. I think they're working on it. I've talked to them a couple of times about it, so I'm hoping that's the case. So you can see I've continued talking here, and we're just about 75% of the way through. It auto-generates subtitles. You can change some of those aspects of the subtitles as well. And I'm going to pause it just for a second. So this took all of a couple of minutes to put together, and it went and rewrote that article and generated all the information for it. We'll go through here now and take a look at the video itself. It's 1:39 long.
Welcome to the forefront of innovation, where the AI video generator market is not just expanding, it's exploding. This fast-paced industry is driven by cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, empowering businesses and creators to produce high-quality videos with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Let's dive into the heart of this revolution, leading the charge for industry giants like InVideo, Wibbits, and Adobe, alongside trailblazers such as Runway ML and OpenAI. These companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, transforming video production. But it's not all smooth sailing. The market dynamics are shaped by both exciting opportunities and significant challenges, while advancements in machine learning open doors to new possibilities. Regionally, North America stands at the helm of AI adoption, thanks to its robust tech infrastructure and innovative spirit. Europe follows closely. Meanwhile, the Asia-Pacific region is rapidly emerging as a key player. As we look to the future, the potential for AI video generators seems boundless. The demand for personalized, dynamic content is surging, and these technologies are poised to meet it head-on, whether it's in marketing, entertainment, or education. Stay tuned for more insights into this dynamic market as it continues to evolve, promising a future rich with innovation and opportunity.
That's the video. Now we're going to go ahead and pause this, click on edit. I could export it if I was happy, but I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. And one thing I'm going to do is the first scene, the intro scene, I'm going to get rid of that because it doesn't fit with this video. You can add your own intros and outros, but for this particular project, it wouldn't work. So you can see how this one didn't come out that great. So what we can do is click right here. And scene by scene, we can change these up. I can choose a different scene for this. So I'm going to go ahead. Welcome to the forefront of innovation. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Click confirm, and it will replace that very quickly. See how quick they did that. So you can go scene by scene. You see how this one's not quite meeting the edges. This does happen sometimes, but you can quickly just edit and pull those edges so it fills the whole screen. And then again, you can go through each one of these, and you can change if you can change the voiceover. If you don't like the script, you can change the script and have it regenerate the voiceover. Again, you can clear this. You can add your own. You can upload your own scene into this if you want to change the scene. Again, you can see how it misses the screen a little bit here. So I'm just going to quickly adjust that by pulling the edges. Leaving the changes in Industrial Giants like InVideo. That's fine. So I'm just going to try for the fun of it to change the B-roll again. See what else we have. I'm going to go with this one. Confirm. And it quickly changes the background for that individual scene. So you can go scene by scene and do what you want. These companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, transforming video production. Let's see what else we got for options on that. We'll go with that one, confirm. So again, this was based off a web page. So I'm very quickly able to create content. And we'll see what else we got here for B-roll recommendations. I guess we'll leave that one alone for now. Just checking to see what else is here. You've also got options here, pretty much are the same. So if you want to use the storyboard application, you can, or you can use the transcript here. So I'm going to move this over here so you can see what else is over here. So you have the options as well to look at other media. If you're really not happy with that scene, you could actually do a search. Let me go back up. Where was that one? Okay, I'm going to put in United States because it was talking about the United States to see what comes up. So you can see how I have Getty images here, story blocks here. You only get the Getty on the higher plan, but on the smaller plan at $9 a month, you do get the story blocks, and then there's free stock too. So I'm going to use this one here for the United States. All I was going to do is click on that, and I can choose what part of this I want by just pulling this along. So it's really easy to use. I'm just going to use the opening part because that's really, I just wanted to be about the United States. Confirm, and it will replace that for me as well. So you have the option of looking and finding up. You can also have project media. So if you upload your own files into here, you can upload, import, or record and add your own segment. So if you wanted to do a talking head part here, you could record that and do that and add that to this as well. So that's the media. Audio, you can regenerate, you can upload your own voiceover, remove voice. You can change the music. If you don't like the background music in it, you can change that there. And styles, you could change this quickly to a square or 9:16 video. You've also got these options down here for Instagram, Facebook stories. So you got all the different sizes as well. So if I wanted to change that to a 9:16, I'd click here and it would change that over. Now they don't have it, if you start off with a landscape, it doesn't do a great job of transposing that over to a 9:16, but I definitely could easily click that over to a square video. We're going to go back to landscape here. So that's what the style does. And then background wallpapers, you can have whatever you want. You can upload your own. Okay, the text, you can also change the text, the size of it, how it looks. I'll click on this one. So I'm into the subtitle here. I really don't like that yellow, so I could quickly change that. Now let's change that over to the orange, or I could change it to the red. I could change the size, make it bigger and smaller. As far as the wording here, the same with this. I can make this go really, really big, or I can make it smaller if I'm not happy with the size. I change that to T3, change that to T3, and it will make the words a bit smaller. So real easy to edit your subtitles as well. You can also add emojis. You can add shapes. So you can add any of these into yours as you want. And you can edit the transition as well, how it transitions from scene to scene. And you can do that on a per slide basis if you want to. So that's a quick overview of the back end of this and how this works. There's a lot more to show here, but I wanted to show you the ease of being able to make a video very quickly. Next slide, all I have to do, if I was happy with what I got, is click on, I could preview it again, or just click on export. It'll start generating this, and when it's done, I'll be able to download it right here. So there's more to cover here, but that gives you a good overview of this software, what it does. Hopefully that's helpful, and it's a good solution for you as a solution to InVideo. It's because of the flexibility of it and all the different options you got, as I mentioned early on, being able to do teleprompter videos, screen recordings, it's all built into this. And you can add that, you can splice stuff together and merge different videos together very easily as well. So it's a pretty flexible system. Really like it. I've been very, very happy with it. And I upgraded to as I said, the yearly pro level, business level. So I could get access to all the Getty images in this as well. You get 20,000 credits a month. I haven't been able to use that much. Of course, I'm not working every day, but you should be able to make at least 2-3 videos a day with this, I would imagine, at that level, maybe more. I really don't know because I've never used them all up. Anyway, I hope that was helpful to you guys.